Hi everybody, Jiggy Time Gal, and welcome back to a new video. Laurn DIY in collaboration with Duck Brand Duct Tape did a tutorial on this wall hanging thing. It's a heart-shaped wall hanging with duct tape, and I learned this wall hanging off of their channel. So they're originals of this wall hanging, so I will link their video down below so you can go check it out and see how they did it. But I'm recreating this off of their idea, so go show them some love on their channel. Laura DIY also has her own channel that she does crafting stuff on. If you want to go check her out, I will try to find her and put her in the description as well. But she was in collaboration with the Duck Brand Duct Tape channel, and she went on their channel and did this review, or did this tutorial for them for their channel. So, but she has her own channel besides the point. But anyways, I got this idea from them. It is a I lost my train of thought. Oh well, I'll think of it later. Anyways, we're going to go ahead and get down to this and do this tutorial. So you're going to need a craft knife. You're going to need some scissors. You're going to need some thin wire to put in it. You're going to need some duct tape. You're going to need a hole puncher. You're going to need some string. You're going to need a piece of cardboard or pop box or something, cracker box, that is 7 inches by 1 inch. You're going to need some kind of a dangle of some kind. This is just a faceted jewel that I had. I picked up a bunch of these at the thrift store one day, and it has a hole in it so I can hang it, or you can make your own dangle. There's a lot of different tutorials out there to make your own dangles with beads and bead caps and stuff. You're going to need a craft mat to cut on, and I think that might be it. You might need a ruler, a metal ruler, I'm not sure yet. And you're going to need some duct tape. Okay, so let's get started. There's a lot of moving parts to this, and it's really pretty, and we'll put you down here and get started. Okay. First thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to cut your wire, and you're going to want to cut them in 5 inches, 2 pieces of wire 5 inches, 2 pieces of wire that are 7 inches, and 2 pieces of wire that are 9 inches. Once you have your wire cut, you're going to want to cut your choice of colors for the heart part of the wall hanging. This is a small wall hanging. It's not really big. I'm going to do 3 colors, one for each section art. There's 3 hearts that come around, as you've seen in the picture before. I'm going to do pink polka dot for the middle size, red glitter for the big size, and solid pink for the small size. You can do them all the same color. You can do them with borders. You can do them with edging. You can do them with anything. Anything goes. But I'm going to do these 3. You're going to do 2 strips at 5 inches, 2 strips at 7 inches, and 2 strips at 9 inches. So you're going to do those. So once you get your strips cut out and your wire cut out, you're going to take a strip and put it sticky side up. You're going to take a piece of your wire, you take a 5-inch wire with a 5-inch strip, and you lay it on there, kind of to one side. Then you're going to sandwich the wire between the duct tape and fold it over, lay it flat. So now you have the wire sandwiched in between your duct tape. Don't worry if it doesn't match up on the sides or anything, because you're going to trim that down. You trim off all the excess sticky. So all you're left with is just a strip with a piece of wire in it. And you're going to do that to all 6 of your strips of duct tape with your wire. Okay, once you have your wires, your strips all with the wires in them, set them aside, and you're going to cover your strip of cardboard in duct tape. Then what you're going to want to do is you want to take your 5-inch strip, I'm going to cut you some strips here of this white. I'll start it up about yay high. You want to put both strips together. And wrap this duct tape around it. And you're going to want to fold both of them in, like a heart shape. And put another strip of tape on the bottom. You should have something like this. And you take your 7-inch strip, and you're going to want to tuck it in here a little bit. Roll it out. Tuck it in over here. Roll it out into a heart shape so it connects at the bottom. And you're going to want to do the tape again at the bottom. Now you should have something that looks like this. Then you take your last one, tuck it in, roll it out to the end. Same thing with this other side. Tuck it in. Seal it with tape. Now you have something that looks like this. And you take your hole punch, you punch a hole in the top here, get you some string. I'm using embroidery thread, that's fine. Fish it through the top. Tie it in a knot. I'm going to double knot it. Cut off the extra. There you have your hanger. Now on the bottom, I'm going to cut me off a strip about 4 inches. I'm going to cut it into thirds. I'm going to get me another piece of string. I'm going to fish it through the jewel. And tie it in a double knot. Cut off the extra. And I'm going to take a piece of this tape. I'm going to attach it to the side here and tape it down. I'm going to take another piece of tape, tape it down in the opposite direction. I'm going to take my third piece of tape, tape it down in the opposite direction. And there we go. Giving it a shot now. There you have your wall hanging. Isn't that so pretty? Made out of duct tape. Very pretty. Make them in any color you want, any style, and hang them anywhere. That was the tutorial for today. I hope you all enjoyed it. Everybody have a really great night. Take care of yourself, and we'll catch you on the flip side. And hey, while you're at it, why don't you subscribe to the channel? Leave a link or leave a comment down below and let me know how you're doing. Let me know if I'm doing all right, and let me know what you're up to lately. Click the like button. Clicking the like button really helps my channel grow and supports me. Share the video on other social media outlets, and click the notification bell and click all so you know when I have a new video that's uploaded or when I go live. That really helps my channel as well. So supporting me is a really big deal for me. I'm not a very big channel this time, and it helps me to grow and reach more people on YouTube and allows me to grow my audience. So if you would like to support me, that's the best way you can, by clicking the like button, subscribing, clicking the notification bells, and sharing my content on other social media outlets. That's the best way you can support me at this time. So I would really appreciate it if you take the time to do that. And thank you very much. And with all that being said, y'all have a wonderful night, and we'll catch you on the flip side.